Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make chili sauce using chili flakes. First, gather your ingredients: 1 cup of chili flakes, 1/2 cup of neutral oil, and 2 cloves of minced garlic. Begin by gently heating the oil in a saucepan over medium-low heat. Once warm, add the minced garlic and cook it until it becomes fragrant, but do not let it brown. This step infuses the oil with a wonderful aroma. Next, carefully pour the hot, aromatic oil directly over the chili flakes in a heat-proof bowl. Stir the mixture thoroughly to ensure every flake is fully coated, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. Now, enhance the taste by adding 1 teaspoon of salt and 1/2 teaspoon of sugar. These additions balance the heat and bring out the chili's natural sweetness, creating a more complex flavor profile. To customize your chili sauce, consider adding 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds for a delightful crunch and nutty flavor. For a subtle tang, mix in 1 teaspoon of rice vinegar. If you enjoy a unique numbing sensation, a pinch of ground Sichuan peppercorns can elevate the sauce. Experiment with these additions to create a sauce that perfectly suits your taste preferences and culinary needs. Once your chili sauce has cooled completely, transfer it to a clean, airtight jar. Store it in the refrigerator, where it will remain fresh for up to 3 weeks. This versatile sauce is perfect for drizzling over noodles, eggs, or stir-fries. It also makes an excellent dipping sauce for dumplings or spring rolls, adding a vibrant kick to any dish you choose.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.